Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a very simple shadow look but with the very dramatic lashes, just because I think doing less is more in a way. I don't know if that makes any sense, but anyways, the palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe 25C palette. It looks like this. These are the colors, and I'm going to be using very warm tone colors just because fall is coming up and we want to use dark colors as well. So anyways, let's get straight into the video and start doing this look. So I'm going to start by taking the shade Sienna in a very little packing brush, tap off the excess, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying it like if I was doing a liner. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack it on like so, and then after this I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit more and just connect it right here to my outer corner. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and start roughing up the little edge right here, dragging it out just to extend the eye a little bit, and also gonna be buffing it upwards just to really smoke it out, so when you close your eyes it looks very nice and smoked out. If I need to grab more, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some more, but work little by little, so in case you mess up, it's not as much powder that you packed on, then you know what I mean, putting a little bit, you work little by little so you don't have time to mess up in a way. Grabbing the fluffy end, I'm gonna go ahead and just buff it out even more. So I kind of like how that looks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. And now I'm gonna grab the shade Amy, which is a very more warmer tone, like copper, not copper, well, yeah, copper, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, it's more like a reddish. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack that right on top just to give it more warmth, and then I'm gonna drag this one out a bit more like that. Same thing with the other color, buffing it upwards just to get it really blended. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Anna, which is a very dark brown. So with this color I'm gonna add obviously a little tiny bit, and I'm gonna bring it as close as I can to the lash line and then smoke it out, and then we're gonna apply a black shade which is gonna be just smudged up right above the lash line to get it even more, like, you know, detailed or whatever. So now the last shade I'm gonna go in is with the shade Zaraya. So that is a black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be very careful and now just focusing, barely putting it on like the eyelid, but more on the eye, like eyelash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and like pick up my brows just to get it really in there. I'm gonna pack it on first. And you see how that's very close to the lash line. Now I'm gonna grab the same brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and like wipe it off so I can smudge it out, because if I smudge it out right now, it's gonna be way too much color. Okay, so now that I went ahead and cleaned off my brush, I went ahead and just packed on the black on that side too. I'm gonna be taking the same end of my the brush and using this just to slightly buff it out. I don't want to buff it out too much, but I don't want to not buff it out at all either, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buff it out very softly, and I'm pretty happy with how that looks. This is how it looks, you know. Let me cover some light because I feel like it's too bright. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this eye. Okay, so now before I go ahead and put mascara, I'm also gonna do my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna be using the same color in the same palette, which is not the same color, but the same palette, you know, the color in there, the shade Gino. I'm just gonna take it on my finger and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it on very softly. It's very subtle, but I really think it's really cute and goes with the whole look. See that? You could add more if you want, but I like it just. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and added my lashes and basically finished off the whole look. The lashes I used are in the style Obsession. They were sent to me from a company on Instagram. I will for sure put down the link in the description so you guys go ahead and follow and order these lashes if you like them. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow all my social medias. They're all at Makeup by La Güera. And if you guys did enjoy this look and do like that it's very simple, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. What? Yeah.
I'm gonna blend something real quick, okay?
What?
I'm gonna blend something.
Okay.
It won't make noise?
No.